How to delete incognito browser history on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So think incognito modes leave no trace, but it actually stores some temporary data. And in this video, I'll show you how to delete that hidden incognito history in Google Chrome on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Chrome browser on your Android device and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, from the pop-up menu, simply tap on New Incognito tab. And here, as you can see, my screen recorder is not allowing me to screen record the incognito tab. So I'm going to simply show you the process on the normal tab because the process are same for the both. Now here, once you are on your tab, simply tap on the search bar and simply search Chrome column / net dash internals and simply search for it. And after that, you will be prompted to the net internals page. And now here on this page, simply look for the DNS tab. It's usually on the third option. So simply tap on it, and here inside the DNS tab, you can see the option labeled as clear host cache. So simply tap on that once. And just like that, you have deleted the leftover DNS records from your incognito session. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get up to date for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.